Hello students, welcome to our channel Success Achievers. Today we are going to solve one question from NEET 2023. Given that a Carnot engine has an efficiency of 50% when its source is at a temperature 327 degrees centigrade. The temperature of the sink is. So we have to calculate the question. So given that sink temperature, so we know that formula we use efficiency of Carnot engine eta is equal to 1 minus T2 by T1, where T2 is sink temperature, T1 is source temperature. Now eta they have given 50%, or we can write 50 by 100 in fractional way. Then we will get 1 by 2. Then eta is equal to 1 by 2, and along with that they have given source temperature T1 is equal to 327 degrees centigrade. Now if you convert it into Kelvin scale, then you will get 327 plus 273, that is nothing but 600 Kelvin. Then we can write 1 by 2 equal to 1 minus T2 divided by 600 Kelvin. Then T2 by 600 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2. So T2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 600, that is 300. So 300 Kelvin, that means we can say T2 is equal to 300 minus 273 degree centigrade. Okay, that is 27 degree centigrade. If you calculate in degree centigrade, all the options are given in degree centigrade, so your correct option is fourth option. So 27 degree centigrade is the temperature of sink. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.